In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove, whether temporary or permanently, extensions or plugins on Google Chrome. Whether you're wanting to see which one is interfering with a website or making your computer run slow, whatever it may be, go ahead and open up a new Google Chrome tab or browser window, and then go in the upper right-hand corner until you see the puzzle icon here. This is the extensions. Click into that, and it will show you a drop-down of all of your current extensions. What you need to do now is go to the bottom of this to where you see the gear icon and go to Manage Extensions. Once you're here, you'll see a list of all your extensions. If you have a extended list, you can search at the very top if you can't locate it quickly. But in order to remove an extension altogether and completely delete it, you want to go to that extension. Just click on Remove like I'm doing here, and then you'll see something in the upper right-hand corner that says, "Are you sure you want to remove?" And then go ahead and click Remove one more time, and that will permanently delete that extension. Sometimes it'll ask you to go through a survey. Now, if you go back to your extensions, that one has been completely removed. But the easiest way of going about doing this is just find an extension that you want to just temporarily disable. And then you'll see a checkbox here underneath every extension, as you see here. And if we just click that and tab it over to the left to where it's grayed out, that will just go ahead and disable that extension and not completely remove it from your Chrome browser. This is a great way to troubleshoot and figure out which extension may be causing trouble for specific websites. Disable all of them at once and then enable them one by one to see which one is the culprit. If you have any questions about doing any of this, you can put a comment down below. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.